I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World. Professor Vinster here, having my morning coffee. I was thinking, hey, there's something I use that I think that the fans or the people will like to see maybe. And it's in this pack right here. So we'll open this thing up. It comes in a nice little pack. If we can do that. There we go. Open that up. Reach inside. Pull out the stuff. Okay. It's this pen here. I don't know which camera I'm going to use, so hey, let's float it around. So this pen is an engraving pen that I picked up off of Amazon. Under 30 bucks. That's Canadian. It has 3 speeds. Very quiet. Don't know if you can hear that there without chewing my ear off. And it lasts for about 10 minutes on a project. So it's not for large projects, but it's depending what you're doing. Like if you're doing inside an area you can't get at, like say the mouth of a fish, or you're working in an RC truck or something like that. It doesn't matter if it's plastic, if it's steel or whatever it is. It's a great tool. You can put a drill bit in it, a small drill bit if you had to do stuff like that. You could put things on it for doing some polishing, or you can put sanding units on it. Well, it's great for that. It comes with these. There we go. That's not very good. Here, up here, it's better. Comes with this pack of bits. And I was at a local electronics store, and I ran into more of these for $4. So they're out there. Now, with this pen, or I call it a pen, grinding pen, you want to charge it up, you just plug this in, and you can plug it into your computer. You can plug it into a block that you plug into the wall for charging your phone. I've got a workbench that has a unit on it that you can plug a whole bunch of different things into it. It was great. It's good for lights, good for all kinds of stuff. So it does that. And like I said, I just happen to have this guy here sitting around. This is an experiment I'm going to do. This is for a sign that I'm working on for on the wall with a pop out, which is really neat. And you fire this up, 3-speed. You can hear what it does. I don't do it on the back because the model's really good. It doesn't need any work. But on here, you can. Great. You can engrave your names or your name into steel if you work on stuff that you want in your name. For instance, I used to work on tractors and stuff like that. I still do, but if I work on something and or if it's mine, I'll engrave my name or a number somewhere where no one knows where it is. And if you have to contact the authorities because something went missing, well, then you could say, hey, you know what? I took a picture of it. This is my engraving right here. This is where it is. So if you find that belongs to me, and I'm the only one that knows about it. And I put it in a spot where no one could find it. So, but anyway, it's a great tool. And like I said, it's under 30 bucks, I believe, still on Amazon. I hope it's not calling me a liar, but like I said, I was sitting here wondering while I'm drinking my coffee. And if you've seen the video where I don't have my coffee, well, maybe you should check it out because I think it's pretty good. But anyway, till the next one. Oh, that's good. That's good. Good. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.